I'm going to make a simple pasta sauce, marinara sauce. I'm going to use some crushed tomatoes and some garlic and shallot, or you can use onion. Onion's fine. Butter, basil, oregano, and olive oil. And I'm going to use some salt, pepper, and sugar. I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of butter and the onions or the shallot, 1/4 of a cup. And here is 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. And we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to cook this up until the onions are kind of brown. The onions have browned up. It's been just 5 minutes. And I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. Put it through a press. Stir that in. And I'm going to add the crushed tomatoes. Get all that in. And 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to let this simmer for about 10-15 minutes. It's been going for 10 minutes, or maybe a little longer. Add just a little bit of pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm going to taste, see if it has enough salt in it. That's good, I think. And I'm going to top it off with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Just stir this in, and it's ready to use on any kind of pasta. Here's the sauce. You have a wonderful, wonderful homemade sauce here. Tastes excellent. Makes about 3 cups. Thanks so much for watching.